Now I'm going to run through some of the designs in the Celtic Square designs here, the tea bag designs, which are great for that craft. And you've also got these squares you can use in many different ways. Now for the first set here I'm showing you, I'm going to show you that you've actually got mirror image as well. When it's as intricate as this, it's not so noticeable, but one side is different from the opposite side there, and you can see if you use those back to back, they're going to work really well together. Now in each of the sets you're going to get medium large. There's the medium large one. You're also going to get medium, and on these ones we leave it so you can make a border around here as wide as you want, which if you want to use them for pictures works really well. Then you've got this one, which is the small. You get 4 to a page. This looks fantastic. If you do it on a 75-gram paper, find some of those glass square candle holders, stick those to the front, and the light really looks fantastic with those. So you just print it off one and you make a lovely project. And you've also got this as well. They call these the mini, and you get them in all those different sizes there. And you've also got this one. Now you've got kaleidoscope and you've also got geometric. This is more the kaleidoscope effects there. It make great, especially if you print them out on an A3, which you can do. Make great wrapping paper, or if you're doing your templates, making boxes, etc. You've got all the different sizes here of design. You've also got this, which I call the kaleidoscope A4, which is a large version. Then you've also got this as well. This is more the geometry. You can see it's square by square. So you've got the various options in that set, and you've got the different sizes too. Now this is a few examples of the different designs that you're going to get in each of the folders. In each of the folders you'll get a main design, and you'll get the toppers and the background papers, etc. So that's one of the examples. And I love these because you can, like for example, that you could colour it in and change it if you want to. And you've got lovely bold designs. You could actually cut these out and make your own mandalas or 3D stacking. You've got some really nice bold Celtic designs here. And for that one, I love that one, the circle. The circle. Oh, don't go start singing now, for goodness sake. Then you got that one. There was a time where I can melt them out. Now I'm lucky to say a word from word to word, but I'm getting there. Anyway, there you go. There's an example of one more of the main designs in the Celtic squares.